Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 diagnosing your PC repairing error. Click Advanced Options. Click Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt. Type ccolan. Type dir. Type cd space, /windows /system32 /config. Type md space, backup. Copy space, ** space, backup. Type cd space, writeback. Type copy space, ** space, .. Type exit. Click continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.